Hi y'all, it's Kat Batista. I'm in my kitchen today, and guess what? I saw a couple of robins outside of my window this morning. And that says to me that even though it's gross and snowy outside here in Chicagoland, that spring is right around the corner. So I'm going to show you one of my favorite recipes that I love to make during the spring and summertime season, and that is a lemon cream whipped cheesecake. Trust me when I say you are going to love this.
For the full recipe and details, make sure to go to catbatistacompany.com and click on videos. First step is you're going to melt that butter. You're going to put it into the microwave in a microwave safe container and melt it for 30 seconds until nice and melty. Then you're going to do my favorite part, which is smashing the cookies. I like to shove all my cookies into a Ziploc bag and then let them have it. This is how I take my frustration out on the day, and it's also why us Southern women stay so pleasant. It's how we get all of our anxiety out.
So I'm here with my two girls. I have Brooklyn and Frankie. And they're going to try the crust and see how it tastes. Speak down, please.
I can't.
We have a good old scoop of
Nope, I don't want any bite.
crushed cookie. What do you think?
In the middle, it's kind of doughy.
Well, it's raw. It's not cooked yet.
I know that. I'm a professional food critic. Let me do my job.
You have food on your face.
Against the professional food critic, Mom declares victory.
Okay, so now that our crust is in the oven, we're going to start working on that filling.
While your crust is getting nice and golden brown in the oven, you're going to make the filling. You'll add your eggs, cream cheese, sour cream, cane sugar, and lemon extract. Now, if you have problems like me opening up the jar for the lemon curd, you'd better find yourself a nice tall drink of water to help you out. I'm sure he'll be super grateful once he tastes that delicious cheesecake. Thank you very much. You're going to want to put the curd into the filling, and you're going to add as much as tastes good to you. You'll see that I taste a lot during the course of my baking. It's because I want to make sure that our flavor profiles are what I like and what my family likes. Taste, 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 taste.
The filling into that crust, we have to make sure the crust is nice and cool, because if we don't, we could start burning or pre-cooking the filling, and then your pie or your cheesecake will not cook the way it's supposed to. But that's okay, because you know what we can do in the meantime? We can taste the filling. So good.
Pour your filling into a now cooled crust and put it into the oven and bake for at least 1 hour, or until when you put a kitchen knife down the center of the pie, it comes out completely clean. While your cheesecake is cooling off, you should work on the whipped cream by adding all of the components to a bowl and using an immersion blender. When the cheesecake is completely cool, smear the rest of the lemon curd on top until it's evenly distributed, and then add that whipped topping. Voila! Gorgeous, perfect, delicious cheesecake. If you like this content, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and also to subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Kat Batista Co. Thank you so much for spending time with us in the kitchen. Cheers and be blessed.